to K&L Farms. I'm Ken. I hope this video finds you well. Towards the end of this video or later on in this video, I'll give you an update on the wildland fire if you're interested. But for right now, I've got enough time to shoot a video and put some more bird boards or e-boards in. So let's work on that just a little bit. Okay, I got me another 2x6. This one here is pretty well checked. I don't know if you can see that or not. Pretty much checked across there. I didn't really want to use that one. I usually come back, write the numbers down so that I can actually remember. I know that this one wants to be 22 and a half. Got a witness mark on it. And I'm just in the habit of making a straight line. Some glasses on. Use this square as a live fence. Put a mark on it so you know which one it is. Pull it out. This one's 22 and a quarter. And then just repeat the process. Okay, I'll shift the camera around here in just a minute and then install these two. Okay, you should be able to see me. I might have to shift this ladder, but let me check the length. I'm going to put, it's got a rough edge on it, up here in just a minute. Sometimes it's pain getting it up there. I might have to go get my hammer. Yep, I'm going to have to. Okay, let me see if I can find the hammer. Okay, got a hammer. Okay, I'm going to shoot a couple in this end just to get a hold of it a little bit. Oh, out of nails. Okay, got a strip of nails. I'm using 16s on these. Okay. Toenail this end a little bit, and then I'll show you something. Okay. Alright, so you have to shoot this one in this end before you put the next board up, and I'll show you once I get the next board up there why that is, because the board will be here and you won't be able to hit these two on the end, so you can't if you start tacking them in there without shooting the end, you got less support. Try and get this one up in here. attack that end. The one closest to me, and then I'll shift the ladder, maybe. Like that. And then tap that nail in a little bit. Okay. It's not bad. Got something behind me, but I'm not sure what it is. Probably a chicken. Okay, I'm going to shift the ladder and I'll shoot that in. See if I can reach over there and get another up the top. Yep, okay. Okay, I told you that I'd give you an update on the fire, wildland fire conditions, and since they brought in the Pacific Northwest crew, they've done a good job. I think there's 437 people on the line now. I'll show you an illustrated picture right here. That should have showed you the current condition. Yesterday was extremely windy, and they did a really professional job of controlling it. But on that picture, you've seen a couple of spots, call them spot fires, and it illustrates they're a little bit away from the main body of what has already burnt. Those are the two issues that are concerning to the communities. One is to the south of that photograph, directly south of, and one is, mine is actually to it'd be the east. Wind direction is supposed to change. I don't know how wind speed, but it's supposed to change later on in the next 36 hours. That might be challenging now. You know that conditions have improved dramatically because I didn't have to actually go up and assist in any manner. I didn't even go to the briefing this morning because conditions were so good. If you liked any portion of this content, please hit the like for me, and that's all I had for today.